everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? First, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video daily. If you don't know, I'm Steve Jen. My YouTube channel is about lifestyle. We talk about fashion, luxury, beauty, and of course my favorite thing in the whole wide world, not Louis Vuitton, Disneyland. And I want to say thank you so much for following me, and make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment the video. That mean the world to me. Today's videos, are you guys ready? We are doing, ta-da, my Boxy Charm Premium Box for August. However, we have a little twist this time because I'm almost 48 years old, so I want to see if this box is good for somebody like me. Which means if anyone is over 40, I'm going to tell you if this is worth your money. Let's get started. Oh my god, did you check out my commercial? Yibu Beauty is my own skincare company. I'm very proud to present you the multitasking tinted moisturizer. This is absolutely amazing. It's not makeup. It's more skincare than makeup. So we call this tinted moisturizer. If you buy the product, I would love to hear from you and see how you like it. And make sure you tag Yibu Beauty on Instagram so we can repost your photo or videos. Okay, so let's talk about Boxy Charm. I'm pretty sure by now a lot of people already know Boxy Charm is one of very popular beauty box subscriptions, and they have 3 different boxes. The basic box is $25 a month, and its value about $175, and usually comes about 5 different items, but you can pick one. And the best thing about Boxy Charm is, I'm pretty sure most of the items are full-size items, not the mini sample one. So for $25, you're getting 5 full-size products from makeup, skincare, a tool. It's pretty amazing, I think. And the next one they have is the Boxy Charm Premium Box. This box is cost $35, so for $10 more, you can get premium box. I have both. Actually, I have all 3. So $35, you get 6 items, but this time you can pick any 2 that you want in their collections. And the value, are you ready? $215. How can you get $35 and you get $215 worth of a product plus full size? You know, sometimes when you buy Sephora or Ulta or Macy, you know, company that they have a beauty bag and they say, oh, this is $35, value $100, but everything is travel size. I think this is much more better, way better. And this is also happen monthly. There's another box a little bit more expensive. It's a $49.99, and that happens every quarterly, so every 3 months, but you are getting $395 value. So when I get let's call it the Luxe box. Once I get that, I'm going to show it to you guys. It's a pretty amazing. So today, I'm going to show you my Boxy Charm Premium Box, like this. Okay, so let's open this baby up now. In the past, I do a lot of beauty box unboxing. Basically, I just open the box and review the box and share tip and trick. But recently, I was looking at my data, which is my follower, you guys. I have learned there's a lot of you are over 35 and between 35 to 50 years old. There's a lot of huge percentage of you guys. So I feel like, you know, me being 48, actually, I lie. I will be 48 in November. So I think it's important for me to share with you guys that are this beauty box for kids, or are those beauty boxes for people like us, right? And what item is good for us? What item is maybe give it to your kids or give it to somebody for Christmas gift. So that's why I wanted to change that a little bit. If you found this type of video help, please let me know. I can do more. But for those of you who is say the under 35, like I also have a huge community between 25 to 35. So you're thinking, well, this video is not for me then. That's not true. Like I say in many times, anytime you buy this kind of beauty box, they are more like a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get. So by me telling you what item is really good for somebody over 40, right? So maybe you can save that for gift, for holiday. I mean, I hate to say this. Christmas is coming soon. So you might as well organize what item you want to give away for holiday gift and based on their age, lifestyle, and skin condition. So this will also gonna help you. So I think this is really great way. Well, I think it's a very great way to where you can all benefit for this video. All right, so I need glasses because I may not look 48. Well, let me know, do I look 48 to you? By the way, a lot of you may say, oh yeah, you Asian always look younger. Well, yeah, most of the time, but I guarantee you that if you put another 48 years old Asian man next to me, I am pretty sure I look better than them. And I have not done any Botox or filler. Nothing against that, just personally, I don't like the needles, so. Oh my god, I look old now. Okay, so every time you get a box, it doesn't matter you're getting the basic box, luxe box, or premium box. There's a theme, there's a cards in here. So this one is called Go All Out. And on the cards, it gives you all the item in here and then their retail price. So let's see how many items they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 items in here, okay? So let's kind of just go through one by one then. The first item I'm pulling out, it looks like a disc pack. And it's by Layer Loose. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, it is. It says face disc pack. So what is this? Let's see. Layer Loose Beauty. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposal makeup wipe and cotton pad. Oh, so it's remove the makeup. And this is $24. Okay, so there are 3 different colors here. It says right here. Oh, interesting. Okay. The white one is to remove your makeup. So you want to wet the face pack and with a warm water and then you can just remove your makeup. Oh, I will definitely do a demo to try that. The gray, which is this one, apply toner and serum. What? Okay, how can this to be applied toner and serum? Because this is like a fabric texture. So if you put any toner and serum, going to be absorbed in here. Okay, this is very interesting. I need to give it a try. I don't understand how to use this. The black one, I get it for face wash. So you wet this and you put your cleanser in here. You just face wash. But how can this apply serum? This is by Tatcha, the essence. Going to put a little bit in the center. But I can't imagine how much you're going to use because when you put the water trimming in there, it's soaking all the way. I guess it worked, but you're gonna use a lot of product though. I mean, it feels really nice, but there's a lot of product in here. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this for serum and toner. That's very bizarre to me. If you guys already have one, you tried it, let me know what you think about how this works because it's a little bit weird to me. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is by Lux and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. And this, are you guys ready? $79.99. Fantastic. There's a J roller, like rose quartz roller. This one just oscillated, vibrating, I guess. So it will help push the product into the skin. Yeah, it is vibrating. Yeah, vibrating facial massage. You can use this on eye, your cheek, anywhere you like. I love this. It feels really heavy. Oh, it's also water resistant, so you can do it in a shower if you want to. Okay, I definitely think this is a fantastic product. I love it. So I want to say something real quick right here. Back here, it says water resistant, right? And when you look inside, it says waterproof. So which one is it? Is it waterproof or water resistant? Because waterproof and water resistant is a very different thing. I would just say water resistant, not waterproof, because you don't want to dip this in the water because if the water leak into here, you can get shots. Persona Cosmetic Dream Stick Bronzer, $26. It's a clean, lightweight cream bronzer, multi-stick formula with skin-loving ingredients. Oh, somebody used that line too. Designed for all over and sun-kissed bronze glow, available in 2 shades. So there's 2 shades here. The one we are getting here is called Sahara. Okay, it comes in this really cute packaging, labels down there. So there's a stick right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this right here to show you guys. Oh, it goes on very creamy. Okay, I think this is really great for somebody over 30 or over 40 because when you pass certain age, your skin is not as firm, as more resilient. Then when you pack on a lot of loose powder or powder product, it kind of sit on top and it shows more lines of wrinkle. Cream item is actually better. You can take a look. So this is, I think, would be great for contouring, even for eyeshadows. So this is definitely good. And then a lot of people may say, oh, but I can't use cream because it doesn't stay on my skin. Well, I can tell you this right now. If you are, well, most of you, or if you guys over like late 40 like me, our skin tend to be a little bit more drier, so the cream should be fine. However, if you are in my age group, right, and you still have oily skin, you can still use cream, but I would say use some type of primer first, then use the cream product on top. And maybe dust a little bit loose powder, then use this. Oh, Flawless Finish Hairspray. Oh, it smells good. Does it feel sticky? Let me try this on my hand. It comes out really fine mist. And you know what? When I spray on my hand directly, it doesn't feel like a very, very sticky. Oh, I kind of like it. I hate this fine hairspray. Comes out like very tacky, very sticky. So. And by the way, if you are in my age group, I'm going to hear you say that a lot. To get more volume, instead of just spray on top, put the mist in your hand, in your palm, and go to the roots area. So that way, you can get the most and get most volume. Oh, I like this. And you know what? It's a little sticky, but it's not crazy. Okay, this is good. Oh my God, it smells good. It doesn't smell like a cheap hairspray. I hate smell like cheap hairspray. What is this? Yibu Beauty Luscious Glow Cream Lip Oil. Oh, lip oil. Let's see, how much is it? $26. Oh, wait. Yeah, $26. Inspire Lush Tropical Garden. Ooh, high pigment creamy lip treatment infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. Okay, let's try it. This thing is huge. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see it. I don't know, can you see it? And then just try it. See that? Okay. What do you think? Colors? Wow, this thing is huge. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see it. I don't know, can you see it? Let me try it a little bit on. I'm gonna put this on my palms and then just try it. See that? Okay. What do you think? There's really no smell. It feels like a little lip balm on my lip. The color, definitely is a color, but it's not like a crazy intense color. Remember I say that, you know, for elderly skin, you want to make sure you use more creamy stuff. However, for the lip product, you really want to stay away cream or oil stuff for the lip, because as we age, like I say, you know, this you get lines of wrinkle on the lip, right? So if you just put cream stuff, like a very like cream oil lipstick, it may bleed outside to your lips. But can you still use this? Absolutely. Then you probably and most likely need to use an eyeliner or some kind of primer first before you do that. Just want to share with you. Okay, the last product right here, it's a big item. It's by Wishful. Okay, luxury texture jelly melt into the palm moisturizer infused with honey. Lock the moisturizer up to 24 hours and smooth skin. Turmeric root extra, that's really good. Minimize hyperpigmentations, uneven skin unevenness. Okay, and also with a niacinamide brightening and visibly reduce appearance of pores, smoothing lavender scents, creating relaxation and calming moments, enhance your self-care routine. Anytime there's self-care, I love. So this lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. I love that they put ingredient outside so you can see it. Let's try it. Okay, hold on. So it comes out like a really paste, a little bit. It does look kind of like a jelly. So let me smell this. It does has a hint of a lavender. Okay, I like it. You know, one thing I hate the most when a company says, oh, this product has this scent, and when you put on it, you smell nothing. I don't understand that. Then don't put it, you know? Oh, wow, this is it's like, you know the lavender essential oil that you use for the shower or the mist, right? That's very intense. This is maybe 5% of the essential oil from lavender. It goes on very smooth, not greasy, but slippery on the skin. Oh, I like this. By the way, anytime you have a skincare that has infused with a scent, the best way to apply is this. Put it on the palm, massage, and just kind of inhale. That creates a relaxation for you. Then you lightly massage to the skin. Oh, I love this. This is great. So definitely, so you know what? I think this box, I'm not saying that. Everything is good except, well, for the over 40, okay? And if everything is good except the face disc, I wouldn't use that if you're older like me, because things like that, it can pull your skin too much, so you want to be careful. Alright, so I really hope that you like today's video talk about Boxy Charm Premium Box, if this is good for somebody like me over 40 years old. Leave the comment below, let me know what you think about this. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and check out Yibu Beauty. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!